nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, brown sugar, butter, egg yolk, carrots, egg white, flour. Once everything is properly well incorporated, we're going to start adding our egg whites. When the egg white is added, we're going to make sure and stir it around and add some milk. Milk is added, we're going to add some oil and give it a good mix, and this is what it's going to look like. In the meantime, I have my waffle iron heating up. Once it is properly well heated, it's going to show red. So it's ready. So I'm now going to put some of that mixture. Please don't overcrowd the waffle iron, because then you'll have a disaster. So just enough. Alright, and close it. Once the light comes on saying it's ready, we're then going to remove it. Voila! So now we're going to start to put a sandwich together. The recipe with the measurements will be in the description box below. This is a review of an old recipe. Every week I try to do a review of an old recipe. So I have made a little sauce, and I'm going to add some pineapples, and then I'm going to add some tomatoes, and we are going to then add our lettuce, and I'm going to use some black olives and green olives, as you're seeing here. I'm adding no cheese, no eggs, no sausages. I just wanted a nice fruit and vegetable waffle sandwich, and that's what I had for my Sunday morning breakfast. Thank you all so much for watching. As I said, the measurements with the recipe that I am reviewing will be in the description box below, or it will be on the cards above or on the screen at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching.